Hey there, driver. So you got your CDL and you think you're ready to roll. Hate to break it to you, but trucking school was just a tutorial level. The real learning starts when you're out there solo with 80,000 pounds and a ticking clock. Let's talk about what they don't teach you, but you're gonna wish they did. Violations. Violations sneak up on you. Speeding, busted lights, missed logs. Stack up too many and say goodbye to your job. Watch out for warnings. They might seem less severe than an actual citation, but still show up on your PSP report and still carry the same amount of CSA points. Unlike citations though, which can be contested in court, warnings just are permanent and they stay with you. Do a full walk around before every shift. Lights, tires, documents. 5 minutes now saves your job later. Settlements and paperwork. Yeah, nobody gets excited about paperwork until your check's short. Read every line and don't guess. Your driver manager and your pay team are your backup to answer any questions you have. Make a habit of snapping a picture of your BOLs, fuel receipts, and trip sheets. Keep a folder on your phone. It'll save you when payday is short. Time management. This job is not a 9-to-5 job. You're juggling a logbook, showers, food, and sleep, all while chasing delivery windows across time zones. Set timers for your breaks. Use alarms to keep your clock tight and your hours of service legal. Now we're going to talk about parking. Rolling in late? Good luck finding a spot. Trucking school doesn't prep you for real-world parking stress. You're going to want to plan your stops during your midday break. Early birds get the safe spots. Late birds park on off-ramps. Delays and disruptions, weather, breakdowns, bad info, get used to it. Ideal conditions are a myth. And trucking school's perfect world scenarios don't prep you for the chaos. Download offline maps and always carry paper backups. Cell service isn't guaranteed west of nowhere, so pack some books or download your favorite Kill Tony episodes to your phone. Consider this a friendly heads up. Preventive maintenance? Maintenance at trucking school is pretty much all reactive. Don't just fix it when it's broken. Check it before it breaks. It'll save you money and misery. Carry some spare fuses, bulbs, some DEF fluid, and a tire pressure gauge. Build your own emergency kit before you need it. Knowing how to perform some roadside repairs, like changing a light, swapping a fuse, a quick grease job, can keep a minor hiccup from turning into a full-blown crisis. Chat up your carrier about their roadside SOS protocols. It's better to know the drill before you're broken down with smoke coming out of the hood. Difficult customers and shippers. Trucking school isn't exactly hosting seminars on diplomacy and conflict resolution. Sometimes folks treat you like a hero. Some like you're in the way. Always document delays and rude treatment. Text your DM with timestamps. It protects you if things go sideways. Driver-manager communication. Talking to your driver manager can sometimes feel like negotiating peace talks. Not every relationship is a buddy cop movie. And stress from miscommunication can drive truckers to jump ship. Be clear, be honest, and don't sugarcoat problems. And don't wait till you're fuming. Check in early, not late. Physical demands. The trucking life is tough on the body. Odd hours, less than ideal sleep, and the physical toll from loading and unloading can sneak up on you. Consider meal prepping or cooking your own meals on the road, and make a habit of regular exercise. Loneliness and isolation. Trucking school won't tell you about loneliness or how to handle being away from your loved ones for long stretches. Mental toughness is as important as physical stamina. Schedule daily calls with friends or family. Talk shop on the CB, or find hobbies that keep your spirits up and your mind sharp. Trucking school taught you how to pass a test. The road teaches you how to live the job. If you have a tip that saved you out there, drop it in the comments. Let's pass on what the classroom missed. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more weekly truck driving videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.